Good evening, children. In today's class, we are going to see the remaining sums from exercise number 3.3. We have completed first two Roman letters in exercise number 3.3. Now it's third Roman letter. The third Roman letter is expand. Expand. 5 first sum. 5 minus x the whole cube. What is the first sum? 5 minus x the whole cube. It is similar to the form of a minus b the whole cube. You can see the formulas here. Both these formulas are same. You can use any one of the formula. A minus b the whole cube formula. So what is a here? A is 5 and b is x. So what is the formula for a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube. Let me use the second formula. A cube, not a cube, a plus b into this formula. A plus b, where it is? Here it is. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here is the formula a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. I can use either this formula or this formula, any one of the formulas, right? Which is equal to substitute the values. A cube is nothing but 5 cube minus b cube is x cube minus 3 into ab is 5 into x into a minus b is 5 minus x, which is equal to 5 cube is 125. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 minus x cube minus 5 3s are 15, 15 into x will be 15x into 5 minus x, which is equal to 125 minus x cube minus 15 5s are 75x minus into minus will be what? Plus 15x square. So 125 minus x cube minus 75x minus into minus is plus 15x square will be the final answer. You can just rearrange this one. Minus x cube plus 15x square minus 75x plus 125 will be the final answer. Clear? This is exercise number 3.3, sum number 1. Now the second sum, let me check the answer. Yes, it's perfectly correct. Then second sum, 2x minus 4y the whole cube. Second sum, 2x minus 4y the whole cube. So what is a here? A is 2x and b is minus 4y. Once again substitute the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is what? Use any one of the formulas. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is the formula for a cube. A minus b the whole cube, not a cube minus b cube. This is a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to, substitute the values, a cube, 2x the whole cube minus 4y the whole cube minus 3 into 2x into minus 4y into, put a bigger bracket, a minus b, that is 2x minus 4y. No need of minus here because this is already in the form of a minus b the whole cube. So put a as 2x and b as 4y, that is enough. No need to put minus here. So a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. Close the bracket, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8x cube minus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64y cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24xy into 2x minus 4y. 8x cube minus 64y cube plus into minus is minus 24 2s are 48x square y. See, x alone gets multiplied here. X into x will be what? X square into y. Minus into minus will be plus. 24 into 4 will be 96 x y square. So x, we have got only one x here, but 2 y. So y into y will be 1 square. So this is the final answer for 2x minus 4y the whole cube. Clear? Then third sum, ab minus c the whole cube. AB minus C the whole cube. So What is A here? A is AB and B is C. I have to be very clear. A is AB and B is C. Right? Just substitute the formula. A minus B the whole cube equals A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B, which is equal to A cube. What is A cube here? AB the whole cube minus B cube. What is B cube here? C cube minus 3 into AB. What is AB here? AB into C into A minus B. What is A minus B for? AB minus C. AB minus C. 3AB into A minus B. This A is nothing but AB minus B is nothing but C. AB the whole cube. A cube, B cube minus C cube minus 3 into ABC into AB minus C. A cube, B cube minus C cube minus into plus will be minus 3 into A square B square C. A gets multiplied twice. A into A will be what? A square. B into B will be what? B square into C. Minus into minus will be plus. 3 ones are 3. A B C square. A B C square. So this is the final answer for A B minus C the whole cube. Clear? Then the next sum is 48 the whole cube. So 48 the whole cube. How can you write this one? 50 minus 2 the whole cube. Isn't it or not? 50 minus 2 the whole cube. So 48 can be written as 50 minus 2. 50 minus 2 the whole cube. Here A is equal to 50 and B equals to 2. And A minus B the whole cube equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B, which is equal to A cube is 50 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into A is 50 into B is 2 into 50 minus 2, which is equal to 50 cube is what? 50 into 50 into 50. 5 is 25, 25 is 125. 3 zeros must come. 1,25,000 minus 8 minus 3 into 2 is 3 into 50 is what? 150. 150 into 2 is what? 300. 300 into 48, which is equal to 1,25,000 minus 8 minus 300 into 48. 8 is 24, remainder 2. 4 3 is 12, 13, 14. 2 zeros will come here. Is it clear? 3 8 are 24, remainder 2. 4 3 is 12, 13, 14, 144, 00 minus 14400. So you need to add these two now. 1,25,000 minus this is 14,400. 14,408. 14,408, which is 1,25,000 minus 14,408. This will be 10. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. This is 9. 9 gets down. Once again 9. Remainder is 5. This is 4. 0. 11. 11,0592. This is nothing but 1,10,592. Check it out. 3.3. Sum number 4. 1,10,592. Yes, it's exactly correct. So this is the exact value of 48 cube. I'll give you one sum as homework, that is 97xy the whole cube. 97xy the whole cube can be written as 100xy. See, I'll give you a hint to do the sum. The next sum is fifth sum is 97xy the whole cube. See, this can be written as 100xy minus 3xy the whole cube. So now take this A as 100xy and B as 3xy and again apply the same formula and solve this sum. Clear? Now fourth sum, simplify. simplify p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. P minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. We have to simplify this one. Simplification is nothing but doing the multiplication here. As you can see, this is very close to the last formula, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Here we have got two negatives and here we have got two positives. That's the only difference. So what you can take the formula, and first you can take x is equal to p. In the place of x, you have got p here, and in the place of a, you have got minus 2. Clear? And in the place of b, you have got 1. In the place of c, you have got minus 4. That's all. So x is equal to p, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 4. So apply the formula first. X plus a, x plus b into x plus c equal to x cube plus abc, a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ac into x plus abc. Let's apply the formula. Values. X cube. What is x cube? P cube plus a plus b plus c. 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 4. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 4 into x square is what? P square plus ab bc ac. Minus 2 into 1. 1 into minus 4 plus minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2. See what did I do now? AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. AB plus BC plus AC into P. That is nothing but X. AB plus BC plus AC into X. AB plus BC plus AC into X. In the place of X you have got P plus ABC. What is ABC for? Minus 2, 1, minus 4. Minus 2, 1, minus 4. Which is equal to P cube plus minus 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is what? Minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is what? Minus 5 p square p cube plus minus 5 p square plus into minus is minus 2 plus into minus will be what? Minus 1 4 is 4. Then minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus once again. 4 2 is 8 into p plus plus 7 plus 4 and minus into minus is going to be plus. 2 4 is 8, which is equal to p cube plus into minus is minus 5p square plus minus 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 8 is what? 2. 2p plus 8 will be the simplified form of this p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. Clear? Next, sum number 5. Find the volume of cube. Find the volume of cube whose side is x plus 1 centimeter. Whose side is x plus 1 centimeter. So this is given as side, isn't it or not? So what is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of cube equal to side into side into side, which is equal to side cube, which is equal to x plus 1 the whole cube. This is exactly in the form of what? A plus b the whole cube formula. Clear? This you can apply this or this, that's your wish. Right? Let me take the first formula. What is the formula for a plus b the whole cube? A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which is equal to a cube is what? X cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into x into 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to x cube plus 1 plus 3 into x will be 3x into x plus 1, which is equal to x cube plus 1 plus 3x into x is what? 3x square plus into plus is plus, 3x into 1 will be 3x. So x cube plus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x will be the volume of the cube to be found. last one, find the volume of cuboid whose dimensions are nothing but length, breadth and height. Whose length is x plus 2, whose breadth is x minus 1, whose height is x minus 3. It doesn't mean that it has to be length, it has to be breadth, it has to be height. It's generally given as length, breadth and height, that is dimensions, given as dimensions. So I need to find out the volume. So volume of cuboid is equals L into B into H. X plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now this is in the form of x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. Once again, clear? Substitute the formula. What is the formula? General formula: x plus a, x plus b, x plus c equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c the whole x square plus ab plus bc plus ac into x plus abc, which is equal to, what is x here? X is x. What is a here? 2. B is minus 1. C is minus 3. X is 2. X is x. A is 2. B is minus 1 and C is minus 3. Substitute the values, which is equal to, this is the formula to be applied. RHS is, just write this, x cube plus a plus b plus c. 2 plus into minus is going to be minus 1. Once again plus into minus is going to be minus 1. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 into x square plus AB, BC, AC. What is AB? 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3 plus minus 3 into 2. The whole x plus ABC. ABC is what? 2 into minus 1 into minus 3. 2 into minus 1 into, which is equal to x cube plus 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 into x square plus plus into minus is going to be minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. 3 ones are 3. Plus into minus is going to be minus. 3 twos are 6 into x plus here minus into minus is plus. 2 threes are 6, which is equal to x cube plus into minus is going to be what? Minus anyway, not plus into minus. The difference 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. So here plus into minus is going to be minus 2x square, and here minus 2 minus 6 is what? Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3 is what? Minus 5x plus 6. Clear? So this is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the volume of cuboid that we found out. Okay. So today we have completed exercise number 3.3. In next class we will see exercise number 3.4. Take care and bye.